A Thought Show.
Jydder Perfumes, a big surprise!
And also a priceless opportunity to parents dreaming of imagining their children and families a world-class in scent.
Comfort, kayan diffusers, umrah, turaren wuta.
Bath fragrance, after-birth perfumes, designer perfumes, body butter, kapasa stool.
Oud bowls, wardrobe bowls, and steaming bowls.
We specialize in wedding, birthday, naming ceremony, and many more souvenirs making.
Gift packets and bridal package.
We are located in Kano, Nigeria, but offers a nationwide delivery at a very cheap cost.
Phone us on 08038511952.
WhatsApp on +249 905 706 182 or drop a DM on Instagram at Jydder Perfumes.
Never do things by house.
Smell Jiddish by making it a use to our low cost and genuine product.